How to find recently watched videos on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the menu icon. Now tap the Settings and Privacy option, then select Settings. Scroll down to Your Activity and tap Activity Log. Next, select Videos You've Watched or use the Activity Log filters to find your video watching history. Here, you can see videos you've recently watched on Facebook. Scroll through the list to find the video you're looking for. If you don't see the option, use the search or filter tools inside Activity Log, as Facebook's menu layout can vary between app versions and accounts. Make sure your Facebook app is updated if the option isn't appearing. That's how you can find your recently watched videos on Facebook in 2026. If this video helped you, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Facebook tutorials.